Hello, and welcome to How to Do Stuff. Today, we will be learning how to import new fonts on an Apple computer. So, if you did not know how to do this before, well, now you will. Step 1. Download the desired font you will be importing. There are several great places to get your fonts, some of which are free, so there will be links in the description for that stuff. Step 2. Unzip your font file by locating it in your Finder and double-clicking it. If you already have this done, you can continue by heading over to your Applications and searching for Font Book. Step 3. Open Font Book. Step 4. Click the plus button located towards the top left of Font Book. Then proceed to locating your font files. Step 5. Once you have selected your font files, click Open. Congratulations, you have now imported your font. You will be able to use this font in nearly any program on your computer. If a font does not load while using a program, try closing and reopening the program you are using. But remember, programs have feelings too.